Today, we are going to be changing my front tire brakes. Whenever you press the front tire brakes, there's two things that move. The pivot and the cable. Whenever the pivot moves, it pushes out the pads that rub against the cylinder, and that's what makes it slow down. So you're going to need, and that's how it works, and you're going to need pliers to take off the cables so you can change it. One's already kind of done for me. Right here, I just need to take it out. Actually, I can probably do this with my hands right here. There's one. And then after you get one out, you just spread this apart and it comes off. There's the whole thing. And you can trash that stuff. You don't even need that those pads anymore because you have the new ones. So then you're gonna have to stretch it back out, which I can't do. So I'm gonna let my stepdad do it.
I'm just gonna unhook the springs.
Yeah, that's probably best.
Once you get one.
If you want to do this as a kid, make sure you have a parent to help you changing them. It's almost on. Then
Nope.
we add the spring he took off back on after he gets it on.
So we're gonna try to get that lined up. And we're gonna pry and use the pad itself as leverage.
And then
And once the pads are seated, you'll see they'll sit just underneath of a little raised up portion there on the pivot. And then up here on the top, there's the pin that they sit against. And we just need to rehook the spring and hook the spring out here. So we'll hook the back side first.
okay.
Yep. And then we'll take our needle nose and we'll grab it and we'll stretch it and we'll hook the front.
Front,
Yeah.
there, and
Perfect.
with the pliers.
Yeah.
And then he's going to be stretching it to the other hole right there to put it on.
Oh, almost lost it. Just a little
You
too much.
almost lost it, guys.
Almost lost it. A little too much leverage. Hold that, please.
Yes, sir.
All right,
And after
let's try again.
we get this back on, we're going to be putting the tire on, which I'll show you guys too. Putting the tire on is super easy with the front tire. Who's there?
All right,
And it's hooked on.
hooked it.
Then you have
Sure.
your new front brakes.
Let's do a little function check. Pull the brake lever. Make sure the
Make sure it
pivot
works.
mixed in.
Cable moves
All right.
and the pivot moves.
All right,
Pushing out the
looking good.
pads.
Looking good.
Now we put the tire back on.
All right. So,
And you can just trash the old brakes.
method for this, there's a retainer right here. It slides up over that.
Then
So we have to put this inside the brake drum or the cylinder.
you have this little long stick.
And then we need to, the long stick, that's your axle.
I call it a long stick. Then you put the axle through the hole right here, through this hole on the wheel, through the other hole of the wheel,
All right,
and then hit it in the
there's a spacer that goes right here. There's the spacer, there.
And then you also have a spacer that goes right here.
Yep,
If I can get it on.
yep. Get it in there nice and
Okay.
straight. Now we're gonna get it lined up with the axle.
And this is a really greasy, so.
Alright. Let me get a little force on it here.
Okay. Then you just put the axle
Yep.
through.
Yep.
Spacer came out, so if the spacer comes out, it's fine. Just put it back and try again. We need a little bit up. Okay, there. I think
No, we started. There we go.
we started it. Now we need to get it actually on. Oh, it's going.
Keep pressure on. It'll get kiddo.
You just gotta put pressure. And it'll eventually go. There. It's going. We almost have it through.
Yeah. Now we're gonna line up the other side. We're getting
Now
there.
we just gotta line up the other side.
Should look. This brake came up a little bit. Huh? Your job is to put pressure on this.
Okay, it's moving.
Come on. More pressure. As Will Ferrell would say, more cowbell. More cowbell. Getting there.
We need more cowbell.
That's right. That's right. More cowbell.
That means more pressure.
All right. I'll tell you what. Let's give a little tappity tap action.
I'm gonna give him a little tappy tap. And
Right
there we go.
You were lined up.
Then take this
I need the keeper nut.
keeper nut. This is the keeper nut.
Yep. It's got a threaded locker on the inside. We'll start that over here. He'll hold that side.
With a
9/16
Socket.
on that side. This side is a 3/4.
this is a socket. And I just hold it while he turns. So you hold it on the side where you're pushing it, and then he just turns the opposite side.
Flip again.
Up. Make sure you have it on tighten whenever you're tying it in.
All right.
Make sure you have it on non-tie-in whenever you're taking it off.
Give me all the muscle you got. Ready?
Yeah.
All right. That's it.
It's on.
That's all.
And that's
All right.
all you
I'm gonna
got.
spin the tires. You check the front brakes. Make sure we got it right.
Okay. Front brakes work great.
Perfect. All right. You ready, kiddo?
Yeah.
Just gonna take it for a ride.
Let's go.